mga ka-journey, and today I'm going to teach you on how to cook and prepare lentil soup. This is a part of our journey towards a healthier you. This is a part of our healthy lifestyle challenge. So remember quinoa that I told you to and I teach you to cook and prepare? This one is a great alternative for quinoa. It's the same, rich in protein, antioxidant, and fiber. So this is all good for your cholesterol and blood sugar. So what are the ingredients of a lentil soup? So these are the ingredients for our lentil soup. Of course, lentils, 1 cup, 200 grams of sliced chicken breast, 6 cups of water, 1 spoon of olive oil, medium-sized diced tomato, half of sliced onion, salt and pepper, coarsely chopped coriander, 1 zucchini, this is a variety of a squash, and half of a lemon. So these are the basic ingredients for our lentil soup. So what do we need right now? Your magic strainer and your 1 cup of lentils to strain and clean it in on a drifting water for 1 minute. Alright, rinse it for 1 minute. Next is to open your fire to a high heat temperature. Add 3 cups of water and lentils. So let it boil and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. So remember the lentils that we boiled and cooked earlier. Here it is now. It is beautifully steaming hot. So what to do next? To set your fire into the medium heat. Add a little bit of olive oil. Add the onion, an onion, tomato. Wow, it's like a music to my ear. And the chicken breast. Can you hear it? Like the music. Stir, stir, stir it, stir. Yes. Cook it for at least 1 minute. Just like a music, a -1. I feel like singing. And it's now starting to smell good. Mga ka-journey, sarap to, promise. Okay. Add the zucchini. Yeah. It's so easy actually. It's so easy. And add the lentils. Yeah. Together with the juices, with the juice. Stir a little, and then add the 6 cups of water and wait for another 15 minutes to boil. And after that, we're gonna add the coriander, and that's it. Now we are already in our 15 minutes cooking the lentil soup. Just add the salt and pepper and the coriander, a little bit of the coriander, and then closed fire and wait for cooling. Okay, that's all. So now it's time to eat our lentil soup. Still steaming. Just add a squeeze of lemon. Wow, I like this lemon. And then the fresh coriander. Now it's ready for eating. Delicious! Okay mga ka-journey, now that you have learned in preparing and cooking lentil soup, I would like to congratulate you for taking another step to a healthier you. So it's me, Kuya Chito, saying Shalom!